Good afternoon, I'm Mark Swift with Universal Electric Corporation. We're the manufacturer of Starline Track Busway. So probably the most recent news on our product would be the acquisition by Legrand. So we're now a member of the Data, Power, and Control Group within Legrand. So that's a new announcement for us. Actually, the sale just went through last Monday. So this is the first full week of being part of the Legrand Group, and we're really excited about the new opportunities there. No difference to the market, how we go to market today through our rep network, nor the products that we offer. So they have a history of running companies that they buy through their acquisition process as independent firms. They'll be able to leverage their buying power and different things like that, but really see the benefits and successes that Universal Electric's had, and they want to be there to help and not do anything to detract from the successes of the company. So we have a well-seasoned channel, both domestic and abroad. Our domestic channel, majority of the reps have been with us now for 10 plus years. And internationally, that's a continued growth area for us, and have pretty much representation in the majority of the large countries around the world. We actually, all the products domestically are manufactured in our Canonsburg, Pennsylvania facility, which is just south of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. But then we also have a manufacturing facility in the UK, in Reading, and then also a recent addition, our newest facility in Singapore. So we're in all the major areas of the world and be able to be closer to our end users and support them within the delivery and lead time requirements that the market's requesting. So a couple things we're announcing here at the show. The first and probably the biggest announcement is our new Quick Ship and Colo program that we have. So to meet the requirements of the co-location market and some of our faster growing entities, we've actually set up a program within our facilities that we can actually supply plug-in units, or plugs that go within the busway for quantities 25 or less. We have about 1,000 different combinations that we can provide within the same week. So if you order that, it's a 5-day lead time from the time that the order's placed till it shows up on your location. So we're really excited about that, to be able to, these customers, especially on the co-location side, the retail co-location side, be able to get products to their sites, to meet the requirements of what their customers want for turn-up. So the two other products, so we are currently working on enhancements of our temperature sensors. So last year at this show we unveiled the temperature sensors for our busway end feeds. So before there was an IR scanning requirement where customers would go back periodically and scan the terminal lugs within their end feeds to make sure the connections were tight and they were not getting any hot spots. We unveiled the temperature sensors last year, so it gives you real-time temperature data on those lugs, so you don't need to actually physically go back and scan those. You get the data real time. We're working on it. That was a wireless version. We actually are just about done with a wired version of that. Then we'll also be incorporating into our busway joints. So that's so the whole entire system will be monitored from a temperature perspective, and that maintenance requirement from an IR perspective will be diminished. And then also we have IR scanning capabilities within our plug-in units. So if you take a look at our new plug design, we actually have an option that you can buy where there's integrated IR windows at the top and bottom of the breaker locations. So once again, you can just walk by and IR scan that. There's no need to take the plugs apart anymore and things like that. So really see it as an innovative way to get that data that you need to make sure you don't have any hot spots or potential failure locations from connection points that may come loose over time. Oh, the show's been great. I think this is record traffic for us here at this event. So we appreciate all of the new enhancements that DCD and the team have made to the event, and all the traction that we're seeing from an end user perspective. It's been a really great show for us thus far. Just the caliber of the speaking sessions, and like I said, just the quality of the end users that have been coming by the booth and interested in both learning about our products and then also new customers whom we haven't interfaced with in the past. Well, just keep doing what you're doing, and looking forward to being back here next year again.